Good morning, students. Today we are going to see book review or film review. So this topic, this content is new for you, all of you. So in your 11th standard syllabus, this topic is changed, and how to write the review of anything, whatever you have seen or whatever you have read. That is your personal opinion, but there is some particular format how to write it, how to know it. So according to that format you have to complete that particular topic, particular book review or particular film review. So let's see what is book review or what is film review. So first of all, we're going to start now with the definition. What is that actually? A book review is an article or piece of writing about a book or film. It usually includes the following points. So a book review or a film review is an article or a piece of writing about a book or film. So whatever book you have read, whatever film you have seen, that particular review of that particular book or review of that particular film, you have to write in this particular topic. Now what the points are included in this? Now it usually includes the following points: the title of the book and the full name of the author. Title of the book and the full name of the author. The next one, a brief description of the book with an outline of the story. Means whatever description is there of that particular book or particular film, you have to write in that with an outline of the story. Means whatever story you have seen or whatever story you have read. The important theme or message. Now don't write entire story or entire film, because your reader should have some suspense, right? The review should be in such a way that it should create a suspense, because the reader should get attracted towards your writing. Always remember, in that sense you have to write that particular writings. Then next one, the main characters and some important information about them. So main characters, whatever characters are there in the book or whatever characters are there in the film, you have to write. You can write their names, whatever names were there. For example, if you take the film PK, right or not? So who played the character of PK in that particular film, right? Mr. Amir Khan, right? So like that you have to explain in that what you like about the book, what do you like about that particular book, than anything that you don't like about the book. So what you like about the book and what you don't like about the book, that particular are things you can include in that, right? So let's see next further point or next one, that could have been better. What could have been better in that, or what do you like in that, or what you don't like in that, right? What you don't like in that, what scene, which scene could be better in that particular things you have to write in this, right or not? What can be better in that, right? Then now how to write. Now first para, how to write the first para. Now purpose, why is the book written, or why is the film made, what is the purpose behind that particular things. Then little bit about the author, his previous books or something like that. Means you have to write about the, means about the director also. You can write of the film director, which was the previous film of that director. Then about the author, if you are writing about the book review, then you should know what are the writings of that particular writer, right? Which books recently he had written or she had written, whatever things that should be well known to you. Then any special features of book or of the author. Middle portion. Now in this first paragraph, any special features or book of book or of the author, means of the book or of the film. What are the special features of that, or of the author, what are the special features? If you know, you can write. If you have studied, if you have mentioned in that, you can write particular things in that, right? Then next one, what will the middle portion? Middle portion shall include, what it should include, middle portion, right? So this film review you can write in 3 paragraphs, or book review you can write in 3 paragraphs. I'm going to show you how to write the film review for the format of that. Then next one, style and theme. What was the style and what are the theme in that particular book, or what was the um, theme and style in the film, right? Then introduction of central characters, which were the central characters, main characters, for example, heroes, heroines, right, or not, or villains, what are the special central characters in that, right? Then describe the plot in short. Don't write a book, don't write a film, only review as to be done. So describe the plot in short. Whatever plot is there in that particular book or film, you have to write that particular scene, particular plot in short. Your review, your means, what are your thoughts, what are your views, right, regarding that particular book or film when you are seen, right? The next one we are going to see, that is now concluding para. We are going to see concluding para. Concluding para shall include, what shall concluding para include? Then excitement of public towards the book, if it is there, even if it is not, you have to write. Now what I want to say, if it is not, if it is there, even if it is not there, you have to write. What I want to say here, that you might be have seen, when the box office, when the out of the theaters, when the film is released, right, when the audience see it, when they come out of the theater, that time the media persons are standing out of that theaters and ask them the question, how was the film, regarding film they ask the questions, they take their views of the public, so that you have to include in that. So if it is a book, so what are the reviews? You know that nowadays social medias, Twitter is there, Facebook is there, right, WhatsApp is there, on that the reviews are post regarding that particular book or particular film, right? So that you have to write in your own words. Now relevance of the book in towards scenario. Now towards scenario means what? Today's scenario, what, how it is relevant to the today's scenario, it is there or not, that you have to mention there. Then comparison of the book with author's previous book. What comparison you have to do with the author's previous book, or author's previous film, right or not? Now the film director is there, now you should know that which was the previous film of that director. So I will tell you further how to maintain it, how to write it. Now your own critical comment. So this point, always remember that if it is essential, then only write, otherwise don't do the critical comment, right? It can harm your marks, right? So this critical comment is only for sense, in sense, if it is written there in the topic, in your question, that write a critical comment, then only write it, otherwise don't touch the topic. The next one, now I'm giving one question, you will be writing, we will see this how to write it. Now write a review of a film that you have seen recently, seen based on the anyone, based on the any 4 following points. Now whatever film you have seen, regarding that you have to write here, right? Now points are also given. So name of the characters, main and supporting roles. So as I mentioned in first, you have to write that particular, about the story, theme of the film, whatever theme is there, you have to write it there. And why did you like or not like the film? So these points were given in this question, and you have to write regarding that, right? So how to write the film review, how to mention it, I will show you one format regarding that. So let's see the format. So format of the film review, maybe in this way, right? You have to write in this way. Hope so you will write. So name of film, you have to write name of film, whatever it is. PK might be there, might be Lagan, might be any film, whatever you write, whatever you like, right? Three Idiots might be there, right? Who was the director of that film, particular film? You have to write the director of that film. Then who was the writer, right? Writer and director are two different things, right or not? Director means who direct that film, who gives the scene in that particular film, and writer who writes that story of that particular film. Now genre means the how it is, emotional it is, or crime fiction it is, or motivational, or love scenes are there, whatever it is there, emotional, right or not? Whatever things you have to write. Then cast, in cast you have to write the main characters, means the name of that particular characters you should know. Means that in PK, the role of PK was played by Amir Khan, right or not? So in this sense you should know the name of that particular actor. So whenever before the examination you can know about one film, one particular film, and you can go there and you can write about that, right or not? So there is no need to just write anything in that. You have to uh, uh, means you like to see the film, but in this sense regarding study you have to see the film, right or not? Study base. Now rating, you know that no film is perfect, any some minor things are remain in that particular film. So rating you can give here 9, 9.5, 9.0, right, or 8.5, whatever rating you can, till 10 you can give the rating. And what was the duration of the film, that 2 hours, 30 minutes, 5 hours, 15 minutes, whatever it is. Then reviewed by, you have to write your name here, reviewed by that Shilpa, Snehal, Rutvik, right or not? Whatever that, whatever, you have to write the name of that. And according to the steps of whatever I told you, that in first paragraph, in middle paragraph, in concluding paragraph, according to that, in 3 paragraphs you have to end this review, right? So around in 2 pages you can finalize this review. In short but sweet, I told you that people should get attracted toward that particular writing. So in this sense you have to complete the review, film review or book review. I hope so you have understood the video in detail. Plus you have to write that particular question, whatever question I have given you in previous one, sorry, in this video. That question you have to complete. And study well, stay home, be safe. Thank you.